All right, y'all, we're gonna head out to the stand for a sit, really demonstrate how well the Badger gets you to where you're going. The brilliant thing about it is it's just so darn quiet, especially early morning with dew on the ground after it rains. You know, when all the leaves in the timber and everything's nice and wet, man, you're just about silent rolling through there. It's a cooler day out here. Love it. One of the food plots with our beautiful beans and grass. And so the biggest thing with me is if I'm taking one of these out to the woods, I'm not parking it right underneath my stand. I just don't like to do that. I like to get pretty close to where I'm going, you know, 100 yards, 75 yards away, and then park it off in the edge there somewhere. So we're gonna get right down to the bottom of this hill and kind of stash this off to the side. This happens on the trail sometimes. You gotta stop and move debris. Easy as that. Get it off the trail a little bit. Leave her there, turn it off, and just like that, we've got it off the trail. We've got it a bit out of the way because, you know, the deer like to follow the trails we mow. So we're gonna leave it there and we're gonna walk into our stand that's about 75 yards that way. Got the sling, you know, just put it on. Makes it nice and easy.
Okay guys, this is a special edition of Scooter Gang. We're in a deer blind right now. And we're with my cousin Ben. We're here to shoot a deer today and pull it out with the electric ATV. We're the first people in the world to use an electric ATV to go hunting that I know of.
So if the deer want to show up, you know, we've had some good deer on the cameras. Had a lot of deer coming through, but at the end of the day, the deer gotta show up for us to get anything done, so let's just hope that happens.
There's always a bit of luck involved with hunting, obviously. Jordan would like to say a few words.
Hey guys, this is my first hunt ever. I can't see squiddly squat down here. I gotta get a different chair. So I just hope Ben gets a shot with the bow. I'm honestly not sure how it works. I'm not sure how any of this works, but this is fun. I'm gonna show you guys the crossbow.
Alright, this is a Wicked Ridge crossbow, and for all of the people in the comments that might be freaking out seeing me holding a crossbow saying that's not legal, yada yada yada, I do have a handicap permit, I do have a license for this crossbow, don't worry. But it's just a basic run-of-the-mill Wicked Ridge crossbow. Not much to it. It's got a scope, shooting a raged chisel tip, expandable broadhead. They get the job done.
Alright guys, we officially got skunked today. Didn't even see one. It's a bit cold, but I think what we'll do, the next time these guys shoot a deer, we're gonna have them record bringing it out with the Badger, because I may not be here. I can't just sit around and wait for the next deer to be shot. But these guys, I guarantee they're gonna get one, if not several this year. I will just add it to the next part of this video out here. But this is Iowa for you. Beautiful Iowa in October. Super peaceful and quiet morning to sit out for a couple of hours.
All right, guys, Dad shot a deer. We got the Badger with the trailer all loaded up. We're gonna go see if we can't go find it and recover it with the Badger. Stay tuned. I can hear it thundering through the trails with that big old wagon on it. Hey, that wagon's wider than you are. Yeah. I'm gonna sneeze. There we go. You got it in four-wheel drive? There you go.
Yeah, pull that trailer around.
I'm filming, man.
Oh, okay, I'll get it.
There you go. I tracked a deer. It's a nice solo cut. You know, I think you're close enough. Really do.
I kind of got to get angled so I can get back out of here.
Oh. Don't run me or her over, please. Saddle down. Uh-huh. Now go forwards. Ta-da! Dude, you're good. Right there. Put the brakes on. Now you gotta load this deer by yourself. I mean, you are kind of dragging it uphill too. Want me to grab it with the other hand? All right. Well, yeah, we're on a hill. Hey, don't forget our solo cup.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah. I'm just gonna.
You might want to get a little more of your weight on the front wheels of that thing.
I am.
No, you're not.
I got my accessory.
Yeah, but all your weight's on your feet. Ow, something poked me in the butt. Here he goes, off into the night.
Alright guys, we got this deer all gutted and taken care of. Gonna go hang her up in the barn tonight, let her cool off real good. It's gonna get in the mid-30s, so Scooter Gang out.
And you want to drive off, or you just gonna stand like that?
Bye.
Jesus, dude, take it easy. All right, Dad, we got the deer all hung, good for the night. How do you think the Badger did recovering the deer?
Badger did pretty good. Took it a little off-road in the dark, which is a little, it could use some floodlights instead of spotlights. Lighting could be a little better, but getting down the hill, getting up the hill, getting the deer loaded in the trailer, worked pretty good. Did well getting it out of there, and then we got it taken care of.
Here goes Jordan's first time ever shooting a bow. This is a crossbow of Ben's.
Put your cheek up here. Nope, your cheek, not your chin. There you go. Let these go. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay.
so take your finger up the trigger. I'm gonna flip the safety off, and then pull the trigger when you're ready.
Bullseye.
I was aiming for the gray circle above that.
Very nice.
But I, yeah.
Jordan's
I was
first
aiming
shot
for
ever.
this.
Pretty
So-
much a bullseye.